Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed insights on the most useful products for your everyday life. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best convertible high chair on the market right now, the Ingenuity Full-Course 6-in-1 high chair in the Millie design. This isn't your average high chair. It's a full-featured mealtime companion designed to grow with your child, from their very first bites all the way through toddlerhood, up to around 5 years old or 50 pounds. Whether you're a first-time parent or looking for a practical upgrade, this chair has got your back, and your baby's too. Let's start with what makes this chair so versatile. The 6-in-1 label is not just a gimmick. This high chair has 6 convertible modes. It begins as a first foods chair, then converts to a traditional high chair. You can remove the top portion and use it as a chair top booster or as a toddler seat. And here's something cool. You can even seat 2 kids at once when using the booster and toddler chair at the same time. That's double the functionality for families with multiple little ones. Now, let's talk design. The Ingenuity Full-Course high chair is built for messes, and that's a good thing. It features a feed-easy mini tray for those early bonding moments and smaller meals, while the full-size tray takes care of larger bites as your baby grows. Both trays are dishwasher safe and slide out with a simple pinch. No fiddling around with tricky latches or stubborn edges. Comfort hasn't been sacrificed either. The seat includes 2 reclined positions to keep your baby comfortable, whether they're relaxing after a meal or getting ready to dig in. And safety is top of mind, with a secure 5-point harness and sturdy construction that keeps your child snug and supported. From a parent's perspective, one of the highlights is just how easy it is to clean. The harness straps and seat pad are both machine washable. Wipe downs are effortless, and when things get really messy, and let's be honest, they will, you can toss the trays in the dishwasher. It's clear the designers understood what real mealtime chaos looks like. Mobility is another thoughtful feature. The high chair comes with 2 wheels so you can move it around your kitchen or dining area without lifting. Whether you're repositioning during dinner or putting it away after use, it glides smoothly and stays put when you need it to. Dimension-wise, it's solid without being bulky. It measures about 40.9 inches in height, 21.7 inches wide, and 38.2 inches deep. It weighs just under 19 pounds, making it stable enough for active toddlers but light enough for easy maneuvering. It's ideal for parents looking for one product that will last through multiple growth stages. It saves space by combining multiple seating solutions into one compact system. And if you're planning for more than one child, the ability to seat 2 kids at once makes this a future-proof investment. In terms of pricing, it offers excellent value, especially considering its long-term usability and thoughtful features. To wrap it up, the Ingenuity Full-Course 6-in-1 high chair isn't just a baby seat. It's a full-on mealtime solution that adapts to your child's needs and your family's lifestyle. It's easy to clean, safe, stylish, and incredibly practical. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If this high chair looks like it could make your life a bit easier, you can find it on Amazon and other retailers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more detailed product breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what product you'd like us to review next. See you in the next one.